Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back. Today I'll be teaching you how to produce very foamy and perfumed bleach. My name is Ogechi Madukoma in case you're meeting me for the first time. So let's jump right in. So this is the bleach. For those following me, you know I've done this video. I've done the part 1. I showed you how to produce very effective bleach. And I told you I'll be teaching you how to make the perfumed version of it. So this is me fulfilling my promise. So this is my bleach. I've done it, so I'm going to sieve it and then use. So let's jump right in. Okay, so here we go. I've sieved out of that bleach and I'll be producing my foamy perfume. That's our Tezapon. Our Tezapon, I'll be using only 50 grams of Tezapon. And I'll be using 2 liters of that, my liquid bleach. And then I'll be using 30 ml of my fragrance. You can decide to use any fragrance of your choice, and you can use up to 50 ml. As much as you want it to smell, then add. So let's jump right in. So that is me adding my Tezapon into my bleach. I'm teaching you 2 things here, marketing gimmicks. This bleach will be foamy and it will have a very nice smell. So you can use those 2 factors to sell your bleach. Tell them, I am selling a foamy bleach. I am selling a perfumed bleach. Already that is a plus for you. That's an added advantage. So here we go. So my fragrance is helping me to dissolve my Tezapon. Ordinarily, if you add fragrance into your bleach directly, you will see it to start floating on top like oil, because already we have an element of oil in the fragrance. So, but with the help of the Tezapon, it won't happen like that. So I've been able to dissolve my Tezapon very simple, straightforward. It's just this. I'm giving you my trade secrets. This is how I produce my perfumed bleach. My Lorima perfume. The thing I'm giving you everything. I'm not hiding it. That is me. When I want to teach you, I teach without holding back anything. I teach you everything. So I'm teaching you. That is 1 liter of my liquid bleach. So I've given you my secret now. I've given you something to go and start making money with. So you don't have an excuse. Go and start making. People are buying this bleach like hot fire. So go and start making it and start making money. You don't have an excuse. Very cheap. With less than 5,000 naira, you can produce this. So that's the 2nd liter of my bleach. And I will just stir. Simple and straightforward. Can you see? Stir very well until it's properly mixed. That is all. Mix and mix and mix. And you leave it for a while to settle down and your bleach is ready. Simple. Please clap for me now. Have I not taught you something? Oh yeah, clap now. Oh yeah, subscribe to my channel. Say I've given you my trade secret for free like this. I've taught you how I make my Lorima perfume bleach for free. Please subscribe to my channel. And also please join my membership, my channel membership. I'll be dropping some hot videos for my members that only those that are my members will see it. And my membership is very cheap. Very cheap. With as low as 1,000 naira or a dollar, you can join. So please join my membership. Click the join members button now and join. Please like this video. Please share this video. And please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. See me giving you my trade secrets now. How many people will do that for you? How many people will do that for you? I promised I was going to do this video. I know it is long overdue. I have done this video for long, but just the time to upload it. I have the time now and I'm doing it for you because I keep to my promise. I promise and I deliver. So let's see what happens to it a few hours later. So that is it. Can you see how foamy it is? Can you see our bleach? So you can tell the people buying your bleach, just buy this bleach. You don't need to add so much soap in it and your clothes will be well washed. Can you see? So if you know you want to make more batches, just multiply it. If you want to make 10 times 10 of this batch, just multiply everything I use by 10. If you want to make times 20, multiply everything I use by 20. If you want to make times 100, just multiply everything by 100 and your bleach will be done. I've just given you a sample batch. So to make your own batch, just multiply it by how many times you want, how much you want it, and you'll be done. Thank you so much for staying with me. Hope you've subscribed to my channel. Hope you've liked this video. Please share this video to your family and friend. I'll be linking in the description the first video I did teaching you how to produce this very effective bleach. I will link the video in the description. So check this description of this video. You're going to see me link that first video, the part 1. I will link it there so you can watch it and understand better how I did the bleach before I did this one. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you in my next video.